look at this muffler. So the weight reduction will be tremendous. I can assure you it will be much lighter than the stock exhaust. Okay, let me show you what we have here today in the Veleno box. The full Catback systems comes inside the box. So we're going to lay out all the pipes and show you how it will look like. For plug and play system, it's supposed to look almost exactly as the stock exhaust system, and it shouldn't need much modification. Wow, look at this muffler. It's a full titanium muffler, and it also comes in a quad tips. This is the Veleno tips design that was chosen by the customer. It's the stainless steel design. Of course, we have 4 options to choose from. This is the design that customer choose. And then we have the mid pipe, the connector to the muffler, and of course not to forget the controller set to control the Valvetronic, because this is a Valvetronic Catback exhaust. Okay, so before we remove the stock exhaust, let me show you one last time of how the stock exhaust sounds on this car. Okay, now the car is up on a jack, so I'll quickly show you the original exhaust. This is how the original exhaust is, also in quad tips, and then the muffler, and this is where the Catback system starts from. So we'll basically unscrew this 2 things and remove and plug it in with our Veleno titanium Catback exhaust. Okay, so now we got the stock exhaust out from the car and laid on the floor. I'm going to show you in details what are the main difference of the upgrade. Firstly is the middle part resonator will be deleted out. This will be replaced onto the car. And then the mid section connecting to the muffler is more or less the same, but the difference is between the size of the piping. So I'm gonna get the measurement and show you the size, how much difference. This is the stock exhaust, it's about 57 millimeter. So with our system, it enlarges the piping 10 mm more, so it's from 57 to 67 now. So it's a much larger piping from the stock exhaust to our Veleno Catback exhaust. You can see close up, look here, all the weldings are done perfectly. And of course, towards the end, the muffler is much smaller compared to the stock exhaust. So you can see that, the big difference in the muffler. And of course, this is a titanium set, so the weight reduction will be tremendous. I can assure you it will be much lighter than the stock exhaust. Okay, now they just done the installation, so let's try the sound out. Woo! Woo! Wow, look at that sound. This is how the V8 5.0 liter should sound like. And with the valve closed, it's actually very silent.